أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 10 today. So let's go straight on to lesson number 10. And as you know, that lesson number 10 is going to be some of the rules that we need to keep in mind on lesson number 10. We'll be going through all the rules. Read this lesson both ways, i.e. Rava. Yeah, Rava means without spelling, as well as Hijje. Hijje means with spelling. So we're going to read this lesson without spelling and with spelling. This lesson comprises all the previous lessons, the harakat, the tanween, the letters of mad, the khadi harakat and the letters of leen. Apply all the rules, practice the recognition of letters thoroughly and spell them out correctly, especially harufe musta'liya. So how we're going to spell them out is, if we have a word here, mawdu'atun, we will spell it as follows. Mim واو زبر مو ضاد واو پیش ضو موضوع عین زبر ع موضوع تا دو پیش تن موضوعتن. Now if you notice that I wasn't reading the letters fast, I was just reading them slowly. So that's what we need to make sure that we do, is we don't read the letters fast, we read them slowly so that we can understand what letters. Make sure that when you read the letters, you read them with the proper pronunciation. So let's start lesson number 10 inshallah azza wa jal. So repeat after me inshallah azza wa jal. Qaf alif zabar Qa. Now remember, this alif is a madda. Why? Because the letter before is got a zabar, so this is called alif madda. And remember the rules of alif madda, you stretch them equal to one alif or two harakat. Lam zabar la qala. Next one. صاد زير صي را ألف زبر را صرا طا زبر طا صراطا حا کھڑا زبر حا ذال ألف زبر ذا هذا ذال کھڑا زبر ذا لام زیر لی ذالی کاف زبر کا ذالک کاف الف زبر کا نون واو پیش نو Kanu. So whilst we're reading as well, try to remember the rules as well, like alif madda, waw madda, khada harakat, leen. Try to remember these and try to memorize them as well. Next word. Qaf alif zabar qa. لام واو پیش لو قالوا لام زبر لا ہا الٹا پیش ہو لہو. The common mistake people will make here is they will read it as lahu. So don't read it as lahu. Lahu is stretching it. There's no alif madda. So we're not going to read lahu. We're going to read it as lahu. Lam zabar la. Lahu. Sin waw zabar saw. Fa zabar fa. Sawfa. So remember that is a letter of lean and we don't stretch it. Sawfa, not like that. And sawfa, we don't read it like that as well. Just normal. Sawfa. Next one. Qaf waw zabar qaw. لام دو پیش لن قول. فا یا زیر فی ہا زیر ہی فی ہی. نون واو پیش نو. ہا یا زیر ہی نوحی. ہا زیر ہی نوحیہ. So we need to stretch the nu and the hi because of the waw madda and the ya madda. Not nuhihi. Nuhihi. Next one. Ba zir bi. Ha kada zir hi. Bihi. لام یا زبر لی. سین زبر سا لیسا. What is this ya madda? MashaAllah. What is this ya sakin? Sorry. Next one. با یا زبر بی. نون زبر نا بین. عین زبر ع. Remember the ain, middle of the throat. A. Dhal alif زبر ذا. عذا. با دو زبر بن. عذابا. میم زبر ما. تا الف زبر تا. متا. عین دو زبر عن. متاعا. تا زبر تا. غین کھڑا زبر غا. طغا. شین زبر شا. کاف واو پیش کو شکو را دو زبر رن شکورن. Next, last line. غین زبر غا فا واو پیش فو غفو را دو زبر رن غفورن. دال الف زبر دا واو الٹا پیش وو دا وو. دال زبر دا دا وو دا. The common mistake here, people read it as the wuda. So we're not reading as the wood because there's an alif madda there. You stretch the da. And then we also stretch the waw because of the ulta pesh. Remember, the ulta pesh is similar to the waw madda. So we need to stretch both of them. Da, wu, da. Da, wu, da. Next one. خا واو زبر خو فا زبر فا فا دو زیر فن خو فن. Let's read this again. خا واو زبر خو فا دو زیر فن خوف. Next one. یا واو زبر یو میم دو زیر من یومن. قاف یا زیر قی لام زبر لا قیل. حا یا زبر حا یا زیر حی لام زبر لا حیلہ. MashaAllah. We're going to read it only till there. The rest of the lesson, which you will see here, is these words, and inshallah azawajal we need to read them as well, but we're going to read the last line but without spelling now. So you have to read all the rest of them. If you can read them for yourself inshallah azawajal and complete this lesson, because we need to complete at least one lesson every day. So we've gone through the first 4-5 lines, but now we're going to go through the last 3 lines, but we're not going to read them as spelling, we're going to read them as rawa. So inshallah azawajal, if you can repeat after me. Udhina. The best way is to read it like phonics. Phonics is like, for example, first read this one, oo, then this one, the, then this one, na, udhina. Now can you see in this word here and the next one, all the 3 haruf madda have appeared. The waw madda is there, the ya madda is there, and the alif madda is there. Okay, so we're going to read the next 3 lines without spelling as rawa. Let's start again. Udhina, اوتینا اوحینا نوحیہا آتونی آمنوا بی تدیرونہا فلا تميلوا ما خلفتموني فلا تلوموني ولا يحيطون جی ماشاء اللہ عز و جل. We've completed lesson number 10.